Hello friends, in this video right now I'll show you how to set ringtone on your device. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Here you have to move on to sound and vibration. Okay, then here you have to click on ringtone. So here if you want to set ringtone, you will find many ringtone. Okay, from here just click on any if you want to set it. Suppose I'm going to set this ringtone. Just click on it and it will be applied successfully. Okay, you can select from here any. Okay, if you want to set it, just click on it like this and it will be applied successfully. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.